Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Curated Edge. Everyone dreams of achieving financial freedom, right? Having enough money to live life on your own terms, pursue your passions, and not stress about bills. But here's the thing, very few people actually know the strategies to make that dream a reality. They think it's some big secret reserved for the wealthy, but I'm here to tell you it's not. In this video, we're diving deep into 7 strategies that can help you grow your wealth faster, whether you're just starting out or already on your financial journey. We're talking about tangible steps you can take today to start building a brighter financial future. No get-rich-quick schemes here, just practical advice that actually works. And make sure you stick around till the end because I've got important tips that can truly accelerate your path to wealth. This one's a game changer, so you don't want to miss it. Now let's get started. The first strategy to building wealth is to stop simply saving your money and start putting it to work for you. I'm talking about investing in income-producing assets. These generate passive income, meaning you earn money without actively working for it. Think of it like this. You can work for your money or you can make your money work for you. Real estate is a big one. Owning rental properties can provide you with a steady stream of passive income. You can start small with REITs, real estate investment trusts. Another great option is dividend-paying stocks. The key takeaway here is this. Shift your mindset from simply saving to actively investing in assets that generate passive income. It's one of the most powerful ways to build long-term wealth. Let's face it, we're all human, and sometimes our willpower can falter. We set financial goals with the best intentions, but then, life happens. That's why the second strategy is crucial. Automate your savings and investments. Think of it like this. You automate your bills, right? Your rent or mortgage, your utilities, your subscriptions, they're all set up to be paid automatically. So why not do the same with your savings and investments? Automating your finances ensures that you're consistently saving and investing without having to rely on willpower or remembering to do it manually. It takes the emotion out of the equation and puts you on autopilot to reach your financial goals. Here's how it works. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts every single month. The key is to make it automatic, so you don't even have to think about it. Treat it like any other essential expense. The beauty of automation is that it leverages the power of out of sight, out of mind. When you don't see that money sitting in your checking account, you're less likely to spend it impulsively. It's like that old saying, you can't spend what you don't see. By automating your finances, you're essentially tricking yourself into building wealth steadily over time. It's one of the simplest, yet most effective strategies I've implemented in my own life. Relying on a single source of income is risky. If anything happens to that one source, your entire financial foundation could be at risk. That's why diversifying your income streams is crucial. Think of it like a safety net for your finances. The more income streams you have, the more secure your financial future becomes. Plus, it allows you to earn more money and grow your wealth faster. So start diversifying your income today. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful forces in finance: compound interest. Albert Einstein is often credited with calling it the 8th wonder of the world, and for good reason. It's the closest thing to magic when it comes to building wealth. In simple terms, compound interest is the interest you earn on your interest. It's like a snowball effect, where your money grows exponentially over time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound and the more significant the results. Let me give you an example to illustrate just how powerful compound interest can be. Let's say you invest $10,000 today and earn an average annual return of 8%. In 20 years, that investment would grow to over $46,600. That's without you adding another dollar to your investment. The key takeaway here is to start investing as early as possible, even if it's just a small amount. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to compound interest. The longer your money has to grow, the more impressive the results. And here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to reinvest your earnings. When you reinvest your dividends, interest, or capital gains, you're essentially compounding your returns, which can significantly accelerate your wealth-building journey. Now, while investing in income-producing assets is crucial, don't forget about the most valuable asset you have: yourself. The 5th strategy to growing your wealth faster is to continuously invest in your skills and knowledge. Think about it. Your earning potential is directly tied to your skills and expertise. The more valuable your skills are in the marketplace, the higher your income potential. And the higher your income, the more money you have to invest and grow your wealth. It's a virtuous cycle. So how do you go about investing in yourself? The good news is there are countless ways to do so, many of which are free or very affordable. You can take online courses, attend workshops, read books, listen to podcasts, or find a mentor in your industry. The key is to identify the skills that are in high demand in your field and focus on developing those skills. Stay ahead of the curve by continuously learning and adapting to the changing job market. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. Investing in yourself is one of the highest return investments you can make. Debt can be a major roadblock on your path to financial freedom. It's like a weight around your neck, holding you back from reaching your full financial potential. Minimize debt and optimize your expenses. High-interest debt can be particularly damaging. The longer you carry a balance, the more you pay in interest. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. Identify areas to cut back and save more. Be mindful of your spending and make conscious choices. Prioritize paying down high-interest debt quickly. Use the debt snowball or debt avalanche method. The debt snowball pays off smallest debts first. The debt avalanche targets highest interest debts first. Avoid accumulating more debt. Be mindful of your spending habits. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest. The people you surround yourself with have a profound impact on your mindset, habits, and ultimately your success. That's why the seventh strategy is so important. Surround yourself with like-minded people who are also focused on financial growth. Think of it this way: your environment can either support or sabotage your financial goals. If you're constantly surrounded by people who are frivolous with their money, it's easy to fall into the same traps. But if you surround yourself with individuals who are financially responsible, driven, and supportive, their positive energy will rub off on you. One way to find like-minded individuals is to join finance-focused communities, forums, or mastermind groups. These groups provide a space for people to connect, share ideas, and learn from each other's experiences. Attending financial seminars, workshops, or conferences is another great way to meet people who are on a similar financial journey. You'll have the opportunity to learn from experts, network with other attendees, and gain valuable insights that can help you on your path to wealth. Remember, you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose your circle wisely and surround yourself with individuals who inspire you to grow financially. So there you have it. Those are the 7 strategies to grow your wealth faster. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. There's no overnight solution, but by implementing these strategies consistently and staying committed to your financial goals, you'll be amazed at how your financial situation transforms over time. Start by choosing 1 or 2 strategies that resonate with you the most, and focus on implementing them consistently. Once you've mastered those, move on to the others. The key is to take action and keep moving forward. Which strategy are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more great content from the Curated Edge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.